and welcome to another Twinkl How to Draw video. In this video, we'll be showing you how to draw a shark. Follow along with me with just your pencil and pen and let's see what we can create. To start, we're just going to use our pencil to draw an eye shape for the shark's body. Remember, this is our sketch layer, so don't worry about being perfect. Then, draw a triangular shape coming out either side of the shark's body and one slightly behind the bottom triangle for its fins. From there, add in the tail fin and some of the extra fins that the shark has here, here and here. Towards the top end of the shark, add in short curved lines for its gills so it can breathe. After this, add in a cheeky grin, an eye and his nostril. As always, if you've made it this far, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. You can even press the bell button to be the first to know when a new video comes out. Now it's time to go over our sketch layer with our pen. We're going to start by drawing up our top fin and back down. You can add in a bite mark detail if you want to. Then finishing the line off with a little point. Repeat this on the bottom fin and finish that off with a slight point. We can now mark along the top of the body, sloping down because sharks are built for speed. And when reaching his mouth, draw around your sketch. Carry on around the body, making sure you don't draw over the fins. Next, fill in those teeth, making them sharp and pointy. Ouch! Now we can add in the eye, drawing a circle and a little line for its nostril. Carry on drawing around the rest of the body. When reaching the tail, we can add in another spike coming out and carry on following the line downwards. Don't forget the back fin. Now it's time to add more character flares. We're going to give our shark a mischievous eyebrow, which looks like a curved tick mark. Then, finish it off with a dot for his pupil. You can mark in faint lines around your shark so it looks like it's moving in the water, and add in bubbles around him. Wait for the pen to dry, and you can rub out your pencil markings. Now that's how you draw a mischievous Twinkl shark. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember to look out for our next video to find out what else you can draw with a few simple shapes, and subscribe using the button below.